Good morning students, I am Mohan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. Today we are here for correlation. See, in this correlation we are using this so many places around in our life. See, there is correlation that is a correlation, that is, for example, the two companies, one company is going down and then one company is going up. So there is two companies. What is the reason in this company going down, and then what is the reason for going up in this company? That means we have to take a statistics for correlation. Okay, so that is the use of in this correlation. Not only here, there are so many places we are using the correlation. So in this topic we are going to be see the correlation. Okay, so here first the introduction of the correlation. Correlation means that is together, that's all, not a big thing, it is a correlation. Relation means there is a 2-1 and 1-to-1 relation, that is a family is the relation, like. Okay, so that is correlation. Correlation means that is a together. Okay, that's all, that is the together. Then there is a correlation, it is a mutual relationship, like that, it is a mutual relation. So how to apply in mathematics in this correlation? That is, we are taking the two variables, that is called x and y, like that. So in this x and y we are using in the mutual relationship, that is called a correlation. And then correlation, that is nature and strength of relationship, that is nature and strength of relationship between the two variables. So here the correlation, that means the together, and then correlation, that is a mutual relationship between the two variables, and then that is a nature and strength of relationship between the two variables, nature and strength. See, first of all, let me see that the correlation definition. Already I told you that is two variables. In that two variables there is a linear. What do you mean by linear? That is line. So the linear relationship between two variables, linear line, that is relation between the two variables, and there is a correlation between the two variables, that is the correlation. Okay, so the line equation between the two variables, it is called a association of two variables. So that is called a correlation. See, correlation, there are mutual understanding, that's all. The simple thing is there are mutual understanding, that is called a correlation. So in this correlation there are three types. One is on the basis of degree of correlation. First one is degree of correlation. Next is the number of correlation, degree of correlation, first one, and then number of correlation, and then linearity. Third one is the linearity. So there is three types of correlation, that is positive degree of correlation, and number of variables, and linearity. Here the degree of correlation, there are two subdivisions are there. First one is positive correlation and negative correlation. Positive correlation and negative correlation. And second one, the number of variables, there are three types, that is simple correlation, partial correlation, and another last one is multiple correlation. Simple correlation, partial correlation, and multiple correlation. Third one, the linearity, there is two types, that is linear correlation and non-linear correlation. Linear correlation and non-linear correlation. So these are all the types of correlation. So in this correlation will be going on only positive values, that is, it is a relationship between two variables, there are a and b, both the variables going only on the positive, that is called a positive correlation. So negative correlation, there is a two variables is going only in the down, going the less than values, that is called a negative correlation. So in this first one, there is two types, only is the positive correlation and negative correlation. Thank you.